Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the window active. Click it or cycle with Alt plus Tab so your keystroke goes where you intend. Next, identify your operating system because shortcuts differ. On Windows, you'll use Alt plus F4 to close the window, while on Mac OS, you typically use Command plus W for a tab or Command plus Q to quit the app. Once active and saved, press the appropriate keys. You'll see the window close immediately, or a prompt if unsaved changes exist. You now manage more complex situations. If multiple windows or tabs exist, close them one at a time with Alt plus F4 or Control plus W, or use Task View, Win plus Tab, to pick specific windows quickly. In browsers, Control plus Shift plus T or Command plus Shift plus T reopens the last closed tab if you overstep. If an app is unresponsive, don't spam keys. Open Task Manager or force quit. Control plus Shift plus finish by verifying the window actually closed. Look at the taskbar or dock and confirm there's no lingering process in Task Manager or Activity Monitor. When prompts appear about saving, use keyboard navigation, Tab, arrow keys, Enter, or hotkeys like Alt plus S to save quickly. If the shortcut doesn't work, check for stuck modifier keys, incorrect keyboard layout, or global hotkey conflicts. Try clicking the close button with the mouse as an alternative. One troubleshooting tip: reboot if the system becomes unresponsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.